My latest obsession is with He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. And as you can see, I even bought this big boy here. It's already out of the box. I was gonna do an unboxing video, but I didn't do it. So now it is on display in my room next to my many books and comic books that I have collected for years and years. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox these three. I have had this for a while. Not this one, sorry, this one here. This is Battlefield Warriors. Like me, there are many middle-aged guys loving these figures, and they are flying off the shelf, and I bet it's mostly old collectors like me that just love these figures. I mean, this harkens to the time when I was very young. So, well, I'm not gonna bore you anymore with my recollections, and let's start unboxing these things. So yes, let's start unboxing this. And I wanna be really careful with the box. Battle kind of stand. And the set comes with a pair of gargoyles that you can put in Castle Grayskull. And I don't want to scratch the gargoyles with the scissors, so let me be really careful here and cut. Okay, there's one gargoyle out. And I think the only difference is that between them both is that one of the gargoyles has like a little spikes on their backs and their tail, and that other one doesn't have any spikes. And they come, as you can see, the arm comes ready to be positioned in Castle Grayskull, like they are trying to climb. They are trying to climb Castle Grayskull. And there's the extra arm and the extra head, which for now shall remain here in the box. That was fast. Now on to the next one, and I believe I might need one of these vintage heads for Prince Adam, because Prince Adam has the new infamous head. I don't know if you can, let's not know. This is the Landshark. Let's get to the Prince Adam Sky Sled. Oh, it was easy. This is the Sky Sled. Oh my god, the Sky Sled. I love the design. They are appealing. They are appealing the collector with this, because look, they come with a stand and everything. Let me see in what direction does the stand is supposed to. Huh? Doesn't says in the box. Because I think it can go this way or the other way. Probably it's this way. Okay, I know this. Okay, there's this piece here, you connect it in here. I don't want to force this. Okay. Oh my god, it didn't sound good. Okay. Okay. I think it's like that. I don't know. Is it like this? I think it's like this. Yes. Probably like this. So you just put this. You just give pressure and put this in here. Okay, there it is. That looks okay. And Prince Adam goes in here. Some of these figures have loose joints. Some are very hard to move. Like this Hordak has horrible loose joints on the legs. Somebody was saying a way to help with that, to fix that. So there was a YouTube video that said how to fix loose joints on the He-Man figures. So I'll have to look at that video and see how they do it. So I'm trying to position Prince Adam. And there he is, driving the Sky Sled. He-Man. Take that, Skeletor. I think that, yeah, this bends like that, and there's some fire. There's some firepower thingy that you can connect and have that effect, like he's firing. And we're gonna replace that head with the vintage from Battle Armor He-Man. This one, that head over there. But for now, this is okay. And here are the extra pieces. His sword. This is to change the Sky Sled and making it a vehicle of the bad guys, and also those extra things. These ones come out. These are the good guys, the good dragons. That dragon is green. This is red for the bad guys. Okay, so for now, we're gonna put this back in the box. And we are gonna go to the next one. This is the last box we're gonna open. We're gonna take Prince Adam here out of the way and go and open the Landshark. The Landshark is Skeletor's Vehicle, but you also see He-Man sometimes riding it. So again, the artwork in the box is just beautiful. There is a Skeletor there, and his lair is on the back. And I don't know if you can see, but there's like a creature in the sand. I don't know if the camera is gonna grab that shot. But and here is this is new for 21. They say on the corner, if the toy came out in 2020, it would say new for 20. If it came out in 21, it would say here new for 21. This one is new for 21, so this one came this year. The Sky Sled said new for 20. Let me show you here. It said new for 20, so that means it came out last year. Something didn't help Mattel either was that the line started on the pandemic. So many people didn't want it to go out to a store, you know, so but they started with the being Walmart exclusives, so and then I think after 6 months then they become available to other retailers. This is Skeletor's Vehicle. So Landshark has a big plastic tie-in that I just cut, and I think this one requires some assembly. Nothing crazy. can see it has a couple of pieces that you have to put together. Let me see, does it have any instructions? No instructions. But this is very straightforward. I lost one of the pieces here. Pieces that were holding the Landshark, so I don't want to lose that. Okay. I'm gonna keep these boxes as mint condition as possible, although some didn't come in mint conditions. The Sky Sled that I bought at eBay, that box is a little bit it's a little bit bended. It has a couple of things here. Let's see. So we have just put these two pieces. Okay, this has a couple of sticks that I need to cut. Okay. We're gonna. This goes like this. And it just snaps into place. Oh. Okay, there we go. And this one. Okay, that was easy. Okay. This one looks like that, which is kind of fun. And the teeth for so the kids that play with it don't have an accident. They are very soft. They are soft. They won't cut anything. So we're gonna try Skeletor inside the Landshark. Skeletor. Take the staff out and the sword. Yeah, I think I saw there is this Masters of the Universe guru named Pixel Dan, and I've been listening to his videos, and he compared the way that you can sit down a Skeletor from the vintage line in here versus this new Skeletor with the points of articulation, and the other one sits so much easier than this one. You cannot pose the old one that much, but the good thing is it plays so easy. And I saw Pixel Dan having trouble sitting the new Skeletor. He could only have one hand holding the car, and yeah, I'm having the same problem. It's only one hand, because the other hand is really hard. It's really hard to make him use both hands. Yeah, just one, and then he sits weird. There we have it. Skeletor in his Landshark. Going against Prince Adam. I think the song in the commercial when something like Landshark. So there we have it. The unboxing of the Landshark, Prince Adam's Sky Sled, and Battlefield Warriors. So if people like this video, I will do some more videos. These figures are really up my aisle. If you know my work for that studio, you know that I love this kind of superhero bodybuilding looking types. I morph the Das Genesis figure into these shapes. I love that Arnold bodybuilder shape, heroic adventures. So I hope you like the video. Comment, subscribe, and if you like to use these figures, I hope you take a look at that studio and take a look at the swole line that I have been doing, because it's the same shape, and I'm trying to convince Das that there is a market for the swole. So it would help me if you go to the Das store and check out the swole. It's just like He-Man, and it's a figure that you can animate with, and you can do in that studio. You can do any pose. You're not limited to a figure with joints. Again, I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time.